Hi, it's Chris Kopf, and I'm here with Mike Swan, who's the head golf pro and the director of the Slopeside Club. And we're here at Mount Crested Butte in the Slopeside Club, but you can see, if you've been here, there's been a total renovation. Mike, tell us a little bit about that.
Thanks, Chris. Yes, we just completed our renovation we started this summer. The ski club is now 3 stories and just under 11,000 square feet. We've added more lounge space, more lockers, more bathrooms, conference room, kitchen, dining room. It's been a great success.
Well, that's awesome. And the quality of the finish out, the remodel, everything's first class and very luxury, and it's a very nice experience coming here as a member. Tell everybody a little bit about the experience, though, because of the Slopeside Club and what that has to offer.
Yeah, our goal here at the club is to make the skiing experience easy and seamless for our members. You arrive and you park in our private parking lot, which is actually the closest parking lot to the base area. You stop inside, you can stop at our desk to pick up lift tickets, lessons, coordinate rentals, all of that. You don't have to go get in line at the rest of the resort. It'll all be centrally located right here in our building for you. And then you go to your locker and get dressed while your skis are put out on the snow for you. Once you're done, you go skiing down the slopes to the base area. You never have to carry your skis. And then at the end of the day, you can ski back in. Once again, never having to carry your skis. Your equipment's put away for you. We have a private dining room, so lunch, you don't worry about the crowds. A private, bar, so the après is a more intimate scene. And, we really make it a great experience, which skiing can be difficult at times.
Yeah. Well, being a husband and a father, and bringing friends here, the boys' ski trip, and people, I know the logistics can get you, especially with a lot of moving parts and getting people to and from. But once you get here, certainly this is a great experience and makes it simple for people. That from a real estate perspective, ski and ski out's still, super nice, but there's so many other, homes and locations, and the Slopeside Club is such a great amenity. So tell people about how they can learn more about getting membership information so they might be able to take advantage of this.
Yeah, we would have you contact our membership director, Leslie Walton. She can be contacted at 970-349-8601, or membership is her email. It's membership, @club@crestedbutte.com.
Very good. Well, when you're next in Crested Butte, if you haven't checked out the Slopeside Club, come and see it. It's a wonderful facility, as is all of what they do at the Club at Crested Butte. You'll be glad you did.